We've not done anything extraordinary and we are extremely humbled is all we can say.
We just love each other. हाँ अभी मैं घर अभी जाके दाल चावल खाने वाली हूँ, फिर मेरा एडवर्ड कैट बिल्ली आने, सब कुछ मैं बता दूँ अपने दिन का प्लान.
Let me just put it this way, I'm doing one part in one film. Yeah.
One second. हेलो, कैसे हो?
Hi.
Expectations?
We never keep expectations. We hope for the best, but you know the philosophy is very simple. You lead a simple life with no expectations, you'll be more happy. So she's nominated, I believe.
And what I'm expecting is a great performance by my husband today. Vivek is performing and I'm very sure he's going to be amazing, and I'm actually here for him today. And I've seen his rehearsals, he was really awesome. We did not know that, but yes, we are definitely quite
मतलब हम
relaxed
लोग
and
फैन
stress-free.
होके आए हैं आपके हिसाब से. I think it's just the love that we've been receiving. We've not done anything extraordinary and we are extremely humbled is all we can say.
We just love each other. We love our fans, our followers, our loved ones. They are there standing by our side. That's like a blessing for us. अब पता नहीं हम लोग
Let's see यार.
हम लोग बड़ी खुशकिस्मत थे कि हमें नच बलिए जैसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला था कि हम लोग साथ में परफॉर्म कर पाते. कुछ बहुत खूबसूरत वक्त हमने साथ में बिताया है. आगे
Yeah, I mean life is very unpredictable. You never know.
never say never. About the dress. So my costume is designed by Parini. She's a very dear friend of mine, and I love her costumes. So it's a cape that I have trailing behind me. It's a trail dress with lots of sequence work, and it's a drop shoulder dress, as you can see. I love it. Your dress.
My dress? Yes, my dress is actually designed by a friend of mine. My dress? What am I talking about? My suit. Yes, there's a friend of mine called Victor. He's a designer. He's a stylist, and he's given me this look. He felt that I should go back to my engagement days. You know, I wore a similar color on my engagement, and oh my God, I'm sweating too much. It's too hot in here, man.
It's too hot.
As you can tell on TV, as you can tell, you know, we are going through major monsoon season in Mumbai. So it's very evident on my face. So yeah, it's by him, and I'm loving it. Very fitted and nice, you know.
नमस्कार. बहुत दूर है सब लोग. गुड इवनिंग. हाँ जी. हाउ स्वीट. थैंक यू. क्योंकि आप कम इन अ ब्राइट कलर ऑल्सो, दैट्स वाई. डिफाइन मतलब डिजाइनर. ये सचिन एंड बाबी डिजाइनर नाम का ड्रेस है. पिंक कलर का ड्रेस है जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, और अच्छा ड्रेस है जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं. नो, आई एम नॉट परफॉर्मिंग, आई एम जस्ट अटेंडिंग. वील सी. अभी मैं अंदर गई नहीं हूँ. व्हेन आई कम बैक, इफ आई कम बैक विद द अवार्ड देन मे बी. पर जिम नया रेड कार्पेट बन गया है, तो आई फील वही जाना चाहिए. जिम पे जाके अलग अलग लुक्स दिखा के थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करके भी वापस हमारा रेड कार्पेट हो गया. सैलून भी, हाँ, पर जिम इज नंबर 1 राइट नाउ. या शी इज किलिंग इट फुल्ली. आई एम ओनली टॉकिंग टू यू. यू डोंट आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन. बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई थिंक अवार्ड फंक्शन बहुत एक्साइटिंग होते हैं क्योंकि यू कम एंड यू मीट एवरीबडी. पूरी इंडस्ट्री होती है यहाँ पे, एंड यू कैन इंटरेक्ट विद एवरीवन. परफॉर्मेंसेस देखने को मिलता है, सो इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग. इट्स लाइक अ नाइस पार्टी. राजी स्टार्टेड. ग्लिम्स दिखाओ. एक्चुअली सॉरी, दिखाई दिया है उन्होंने. हाँ हाँ. मैं घर अभी जाके दाल चावल खाने वाली हूँ. फिर मेरा एडवर्ड कैट मिल जाना. सब कुछ मैं बता दूँ अपने दिन का प्लान. वेरी नाइस. अभी रिज्यूम होने वाला है मंडे को, एंड या देन आई गो इनटू इट कंप्लीटली.
चलो डन. थैंक यू. डन सुमित. थैंक यू.
आई स्टार्ट आफ्टर दैट. तो राजी खत्म होने के बाद आई स्टार्ट द रणबीर फिल्म विद आयान एंड रणबीर. अच्छा. क्या होता है ऐसे?
बॉयकॉट कर दिया इन लोगों ने. नहीं किया. तू हर्ट हो गया. Sorry, I'm here, and usually it's largely incorrect to say you're getting an award while you're on the red carpet heading to the award function.
So I hope that Urta Punjab wins some awards. I know Alia is here, I am here, and I'm sure there'll be some fantastic performances also. तो अगर मैं वापस मुझे अवार्ड मिला तो मैं वापस यहाँ से गुजरूंगा और फिर आप सवाल पूछिएगा. But I hope so.
And like Alia Bhi was very excited like you are here.
जी हम लोग साथ ही में आए थे. She's looking wonderful and nothing like the character that she played in Urta Punjab, and that's what's amazing about her. She's doing some exceptional work. So it's great to be here with her and celebrating Urta Punjab. जी I hope so. मेरे हिसाब से तो जो मैंने ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं शूट किया जो चेंज हुआ हो. I think there were a lot of presumptions about the film. People were presuming there are things in the film, and the clarification was given that those things are not in the film. I hope that people, when they see the film, I think they'll realize that the heart of the film is very, very good. The intent of the film is very good, and this country and the people who live in it, and especially the area we're talking about, will be glorified and shown beautifully. I play a Rajput king, so I can say that my character is a character I feel people will see, and they will admire, appreciate, and love the way it has been represented. I have not been spotted. You guys have come and found me when I'm trying to hide.
हम ऐसा माने कि ये पद्मावती का लुक है आपका.
आपको जो मानना है मानो. पद्मावती का लोग तो मुझे पता है, और आप मान लो. ऐसा सरप्राइज हो जाओगे.
Before we ask you to decode your dress for tonight, your daughter's birthday will be she will be born. Any plans? First birthday is always a special.
Well, we are not probably going to be in the country, so we're going to get some family time around that time.
Can you tell us something about your dress tonight?
Well, I'm styled by Anisha Jain, and I'm wearing this.
Hold. अभी तो
पहन मैंने आपको जो पहना है सब बता दिया.
स्टाइलिश एंड डिजाइनर.
Anisha Jain.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
रेडियो सामने ऊपर सामने एकदम सामने ऊपर रेडियो ऊपर मोनी एक्सक्यूज मी मैम राइट साइड डाउन ऊपर मैम ऊपर राइट साइड डाउन वन मोर हियर नाउ राइट साइड डाउन सामने ऊपर स्टेडियम ऊपर यहां पे ऊपर ये स्टेडियम सामने ऊपर मोनी यहां पे राइट साइड डाउन मोनी गेट डाउन राइट साइड डाउन नाउ स्टेडियम second mark. Just do it down.
Hello. Hi.
Many congratulations. Now you're a film star.
Let me just put it this way. I'm doing one part in one film. Yeah.
पर क्योंकि मैं हम पूछना तो और भी चाहते हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहले कैसा अनुभव रहा आपका ये फिल्म से जुड़ना?
अभी तक तो बहुत ही कम शूट किया मैंने, बट आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्रोसेस एंड इट्स न्यू फॉर मी, सो आई एम लर्निंग सो मच एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी.
It's a big leap for you. मतलब एक बड़ा कदम है आपके लिए.
जी.
कि, अब आप फिल्मों में हैं.
जी.
बताइए कि like how important it is for you.
It is very important. I think as actors, we are all creative people and we are greedy to do good roles. and such one role has come by in my career. I'm really happy about it, and मैं यही hope करती हूँ कि मैं कर पाऊँ ठीक से ये role. Of course, TVs. Oh my God. कोথায় যাচ্ছো? So please come. Yes. नहीं मैं हूँ. This is my home. I will always be coming on TV. All that I don't know right now. So. जी. I am wearing Sulakshana Monga and my jewelry is by my very close friend Neha Lulla, and it's styled by Ankita. So, thank you. No, I am actually nominated. So I have under the Best Actress TV category. So let's see. I'm just looking forward to go inside. I hope so. No, sir.
How are you?
Very well. How are you? Thank you so much. Hello, sir. Okay, thank you. Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Very well.
How you been?
रवि और मैडम जी नीचे देखो एक बार पे सामने साइड से थोड़ा राइट ऊपर एक बार ऊपर मैम ये मैम हो गया सेकंड मार्क या बोथ ऑफ द स्ट्रेट डाउन दोनों साइड डाउन बोथ ऑफ द स्ट्रेट डाउन both of you straight down, straight, solo. Single vision. Ravi जब तक पास यहाँ पे सरगुन हो या. रवि सामने down. सरगुन down को भाई. रवि straight ये रवि straight down. Straight ये. मैम सामने आके मैम जी नीचे मैडम जी हां जी सामने मैम ये स्ट्रेट मैम मैम
क्या निकल जाए साथ. गुड इवनिंग, हाउ आर यू?
Thank you.
What expectations do we have from the award? They are big awards and they are big in the real sense. And I'm also nominated in a category. तो hopefully यहाँ से मैं वो award लेके ही जाऊँगा. जी हाँ. जी आज यह पूरी ज़रूर होगी. बिग जी एंटरटेनमेंट अवार्ड्स. तो एंटरटेनमेंट इज़ लिटरली द मिडिल नेम. सो जी हाँ. क्योंकि एपिसोड तो हमने पहले शूट कर लिया ना.
नहीं, मैं कुछ मिस नहीं करती. मैं सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड पे लगाती हूँ. इनफैक्ट मैं 2-3 बारी देखती हूँ ताकि मुझे पता लगे कि इसका रिलेशनशिप मेरे साथ बेटर है कि सांपों के साथ.
या
Just want to make sure.
सो आई हैव अ लायनेस इन द हाउस ना. तो मुझे टाइगर्स वगैरह से डर नहीं लगता.
I am right at the gate in front of the white station. I'm trying to step out of Yashraj.
या हाँ जी.
None.
Yes, I have. अब तो 2 साल हो गए. यार आगे का किसने देखा है लाइफ में? I haven't seen the future. I'm enjoying where I am right now and I want to continue doing that.
And you both supposed to be the most power couples of TV industry now.
Yeah, we've been actually, you know what, we've been dying to hear these words. Thank you so much for saying that.
मनोज को देखो, सिर्फ मनोज को। टाइगर सामने आ गया। टाइगर स्टेडियम। टाइगर भाई यहाँ पे। टाइगर भाई राइट साइड डाउन। टाइगर सामने। टाइगर सामने। टाइगर भाई सेकंड मार कभी सेकंड मार। टाइगर भाई सेकंड मार। नाइस शूट। टाइगर भाई सेंटर सेंटर। टाइगर सा सेंटर। बाद में सुनो। टाइगर सा सेंटर देखो बेटा। टाइगर भाई ऊपर नीचे स्ट्रेट नीचे। सर ऊपर 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 सर। ऊपर। टाइगर भाई स्ट्रेट नीचे लेफ्ट में। अबे कौन गिरा नीचे? क्या हुआ? अरे पीछे हो ना। चल। थैंक यू।
कुछ बोलना है? शुक्रिया सर, शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया यार। बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज़ आए इस बार, खासकर आई डोंट नो मुन्ना माइकल के लिए खासकर बहुत ज़्यादा रिव्यूज़ मिले पॉजिटिव, तो उसके लिए बहुत ही थैंकफुल हूँ मैं, बहुत खुश हूँ मैं। और मैं सब दर्शकों को और फैंस को और फ्रेंड्स को, फैमिलीज़ को, इंडस्ट्री को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा बिकॉज देव एक्सेप्टेड द फिल्म विद सो मच लव। और या थैंक यू। नहीं सर, आई वोंट बी परफॉर्मिंग टुनाइट, थोड़ा थका हुआ मैं फ्रॉम मुन्ना माइकल, यू नो आई बीन प्रमोटिंग अ लॉट सो आई हैवंट बीन कीपिंग वेल, बट looking forward to the great performances this evening, or I'm nominated for a couple awards, so you know I'm very excited. I'm I'm okay with I mean obviously everybody wants the big numbers obviously, and I was I'm a very greedy guy when it comes to all this, because I put in a lot of effort, but I'm very happy with all the love that the film has been getting, and I've never gotten so much love before for my work, so for that I'm very thankful. But of course I'm very hungry. I think every actor is hungry to reach the big mark, so but still I'm very thankful for whatever's happened. बिल्कुल अगस्त से सर, तो अभी शायद 2 हफ्ते बाद आई थिंक वी विल स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट शेड्यूल। या टुगेदर आई थिंक वी आर शूटिंग अ सॉन्ग फर्स्ट। नहीं अभी तक शुरू नहीं किया सर। Well, there's time for Rambo. I start SOTY 2 before that. So after Baghi 2, it's SOTY. यार मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं, आई डोंट नो। करण सर कुछ बता दे नहीं। पता नहीं यार, पर अच्छी बात है ना, PR हो रही है। So yeah, I don't know. I'll let you know when I know. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I
sang Feel the Rhythm and Show Me a Movie.
So well.
Thank you. So good. Nice to meet you.
That's why you wanted to be
Really nice
here.
meeting you.
Okay, good afternoon.
So good you are. You have such a R&B feel.
Thank you so much.
It's so good, yeah.
And Pranay told me that you loved Show Me a Movie.
It's my favorite song. I wish you could have made the song longer.
A little longer,
And
yeah.
do you know video release of that song in dance so well?
I wish there was.
But I think it will be out.
Let's see. Yeah. Show Me a Move should be out soon. But I want to make a video on Feel the Rhythm.
Oh, please do that.
I
Please do
really
that.
want to, yeah. So,
It'll be like so
Killed
good
it
for
in the
me.
video.
yeah, for sure, definitely. So yeah, I was looking forward to it. He's really good, yeah. I'm really.
Thank you so much.
I hope we
Really,
get to work
really
together
honored.
soon, yeah.
Thank you.
And I'm Lola Mudra. I got in touch with you through WhatsApp. You being so nice, you responded.
Okay,
I'm
great,
a publicity.
Okay, super. Nice to meet you.
Thanks so much.
You guys leaving?
No.
Just come.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you inside.
Thank you for the review.
Apart from the humor, the shoot looks good on.
Thanks. Thank you.
सेंटर ऊपर, बेजल स्ट्रेट नीचे, सेंटर ऊपर, बेजल स्ट्रेट नीचे। बेजल स्ट्रेट सामने आ सामने ऊपर बेजल ऊपर यहाँ पे।
Hi, hello, hi. Come. Good evening.
Good evening.
The night seems to be black and white night.
Yeah. Yes. We thought about that.
कौन चूज करता है आजकल एक दूसरे का?
जी स्टाइलिंग अगर मैं देखूँ तो वी आर गुड एट शी इज गुड एट हर स्टाइलिंग आई एम गुड एट माई स्टाइलिंग बट
but
येस
then
वी
I
ऑलवेज
think-
टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम ईच अदर
Yes, I think that works, you know. We both help each other out.
आज किसने डिसाइड किया और मतलब कुछ अगर लाइक टेल अस अबाउट योर ड्रेस.
Okay. So, yes, we thought of coordinating a little bit because we're going to be walking together for the first time after the wedding. So, we thought of coordinating just a little bit. His has been styled by a
Victor
friend.
Robinson, he's a good friend.
Yes.
So it's his suit I'm wearing and it's Giorgio Armani shoes.
You're away from the mic.
Yeah. So it's styled by one of my good friends.
My clothes are mine.
बहुत कुछ उम्मीदें हैं, नई उम्मीद है बिल्कुल यार एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी रियली एक्साइटेड दैट कुंडली भाग्य हैज बिकम नंबर 1 इन द सेकंड वीक itself. So I'm really excited and I am performing tonight and this is my first performance for Zee TV. So really looking forward to it.
Well, I'm primarily here to watch him perform. I'm here to cheer for him and I'm very excited and I really want to know how this turns out.
बात कर रहे थे पावर कपल्स की. You are also added now in the list of power couples.
Oh, super. We didn't know that.
I like that.
I like the word power.
आपके हिसाब से और कौन है पावर कपल्स जिसके नाम पे?
Well, it depends मतलब किस तरीके की power, you know. But there are a lot of friends who are like Ankita, Karan, and Devyanka, Vivek. They are power couples, yeah.
I think it works for both of us. The list is the same.
Yeah.
Properly.
हाँ मैं हाँ. Yes, yes.
See?
And if I may ask you, like, any plans for family?
Not now.
I
just
think
got
we need to
married.
grow up ourselves first.
Yeah.
We're too young.
It's too early to talk about it.
पहले हम बड़े हो जाएं.
Yeah. Thank you,
Thank you so
thank you
much.
guys, thank you.
Okay. Good evening. Hello.
Congratulations to you complete 25 years in the film industry.
I do. Thank you. Thank you so much.
किस तरह से देखते हो आप इस 25 साल को?
बहुत ही मज़ा आया है 25 सालों में. अभी तक लगता नहीं है कि 25 साल ख़त्म हुए. But yes, I can say by God's grace, hopefully I'll finish another 25. Let's see.
आज आपको शायद इसीलिए फेलिसिटेट किया जा रहा है यहाँ पर.
बोल तो रहे हैं, देखती हूँ.
What it means to you that being felicitated?
Of course it feels good. अच्छा लगता है जब लोग आपके काम की तारीफ़ करते हैं और आपकी कामयाबी की तारीफ़ करते हैं. तो it feels good. I'm happy to be here.
What are your other expectations you are looking forward from the evening?
Too many questions about this one evening. What are my other expectations? No other expectations. I'm expecting to enjoy myself, honestly. What more can you ask? Thank you so much. I also think it's a very interesting topic. What can I say about it? I think you should be saying that to me, no? About what I think of the evening. Asking me about it is odd and strange. But thank you for the compliment. I don't know. I hope I surprise myself. अभी पता नहीं है. देखूंगी. जो भी है. I hope I do it well. Thank you. बस हो गया.
What is the words from your family completing 25 years from Ajay ji and everyone? वो किस तरह से कहते हैं इस बात का?
वो बहुत खुश हैं obviously. वो क्या बोलेंगे? I think they're just happy. What do I say? Ajay has also completed 26 years. I'm completing 25 years. And we're both very, very happy about it. Thank you.
Sorry, tell you about what? My style. Well, I think I have to give that credit to the team. I have a team that manages my work now. So usually they give me a lot of good clothes with good styling by the designers, and we have a team. So it's thanks to them. I know अभी काफ़ी 1-1.5 महीने से सब लोग बहुत वेट कर रहे हैं बधाइयाँ देने के लिए, but thank you so much. Yes, I've become a father now. काफ़ी बदल गया of course. Baby आने के बाद we are trying to give as much time as possible to Kavish, and it's nice and it's lovely. Well, best part of being a dad, I think we are going. अभी वो stage तक नहीं पहुँचे हैं कि मतलब you can really cherish a lot of things. Maybe once Kavish starts communicating to us, so that will be very different. अभी तो बस थोड़ी बहुत आवाज़ें करता है, थोड़ी बहुत हमारी बातें समझता है. So it's going to be fun when he starts communicating with us. Nisha is taking care of the baby. She's not moving out right now, so I have come alone. Let's see. Hope so soon. Abhi the baby is very small, so it's going to be very difficult that we move out, both of us together. So अभी आजकल मैं अकेला ही जा रहा हूँ हर जगह. Yeah, now I'm back to things. I'm working again, so talks are going on. Abhi tak I wanted this time, especially because of Kavish. I wanted to be at home, looking after him. Now I'm back with a new zest, and I should work soon. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Well, it's a red carpet dress, and I think that's what red carpets are all about, to just be overdressed and look the best you can. So I'm wearing Nikita Tandon today, and yeah, I'm happy that you're impressed. Yes. नहीं वो सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ कहते हैं जब मुझे देखते हैं ये तो बड़ा टॉइंग है, I don't know why, but I think my ad has a bigger impact on him. That's so sweet of him, but he teases me. ऑफ कोर्स मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं एक छोटा सा हिस्सा बन पाई उस फिल्म का, एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर द रिलीज, एंड आई होप पीपल लाइक इट. नहीं, ऑब्वियसली बहुत अच्छा रहा. यू वांट टू वर्क विद good actors, you want to work on a better project, you want to work with good directors, and I think I'm glad that I got an opportunity and I tried to give my best, so let's see. जी नहीं, मैं प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ. थैंक यू. इसमें राउंड नहीं कुछ. Ready? हो गया. Okay, this is last. एक नंबर.
3, 2, 1 start.
Just waiting. Hello. Hi, man. Sorry. Yes. Hi. Good morning. Sorry, I can't hear you. I tried my best. How am I looking? Good. Thank you. Thank you so much. उधर ना आपने बोला 10 मिनट रुक जाओ तो मैं रुक गया था उधर. ये मैं भी डिस्कवर करता रहता हूँ रोज़, लेकिन अच्छा लगता है जब लोग अच्छा एक्नॉलेजमेंट देते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है. बिग एक्सपेक्टेशंस, बिग अवार्ड्स है और शायद मैं नॉमिनेटेड भी हूँ, तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
न्यूयॉर्क में भी एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में आप शामिल हुए थे.
जी जी हाँ, वहाँ पे आइफा था, वो परफॉर्म कर रहा था. वहाँ पे परफॉर्म करता हो तो अच्छा लगता है. So the thing is to try and do films that I think that I could not probably do, or probably in terms of characters. So trying new things in all the films that I've been doing, and all the films that I'll do. Let's see. Yes, see, box office, when it resonates at box office, definitely you'll feel good. But largely, I'm concerned about till the time last day I shoot for the film. So yeah, I need to do something that probably excites me also. At the same time, I don't know how to do it. So to figure it out, I want to do it. Yes.
Started shooting with Sarah.
No, next month.
Any words for her? How you have found her as a co-star? Like you have observed probably by her.
She's a very confident girl, and we still have to do our workshops together. So I can't comment on that. But Gattu and my very dear friend Mukesh Chabra, they have very nice things to say about her. So yes, I'm looking forward to working with her. जी हाँ. तो इसका रिजल्ट तो फिल्म में आएगा. अभी कुछ नहीं बता सकते. बट यस, फिजिक्स का शौक हमेशा से रहा था और साइंस का शौक हमेशा से रहा था. तो इतने सालों से जो थ्योरीज वगैरह दिमाग में थे हाय वो है ना. देखिए हवा लगाते हुए जा रहे. तो हाँ, तो इतने सालों से जो थ्योरीज आपके दिमाग में है वो जाके सचमुच में देखना, सचमुच में ज़ीरो ग्रेविटी वगैरह एक्सपीरियंस करना बहुत बड़ी बात है. मेरे कॉलेज के जो दोस्त थे वो MBA भी करने गए लेकिन आज तक नासा नहीं जा पाए. तो उनको बड़ा जलन हो रही थी और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. थैंक यू. क्रिप्टिक नहीं होता, मैं तो सिंपल ही लिखता हूँ आपको. वो मेरे धोनी फिल्म में एक डायलॉग है कि मैं धीरे से मारता हूँ आपको जोर से लगता है. तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं सिंपल ही लिखता हूँ, आपको पता नहीं क्यों डिफिकल्ट है. शायरा ना, अब अच्छी बातें लिखते तो अंदाज भी अच्छा होना चाहिए. क्या? जब मेरी कश्ती साबितो सलीम थी तो साहिल की तमन्ना किसको थी. अब इस शकिस्ता कश्ती में साहिल की तमन्ना कौन करे.
बहुत गड़बड़ है.
सुशील
क्या हुआ, कोई क्राइसिस? क्या नेशनल क्राइसिस हो गया है कि कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी पे आप सवाल पूछेंगे अभी? कुछ नहीं. Yeah, done? Are you leaving? Are you leaving? No, I'm coming. Yeah?
आपके लेफ्ट में दूसरा कैमरा कर लीजिए. सामने ऊपर सामने ऊपर मैम राइट साइड ऊपर ऊपर नीचे सामने वन टू हियर है. सेकंड मैम सामने नीचे सेंटर मैम सामने पे सेंटर लेफ्ट साइड स्ट्रेट वन बैक टू फ्रंट back to front. Yeah, left. Ma'am,
What is back to front?
left.
Anything? No. Hi. Oh, hi.
Social networking is exploding with your pictures now.
Really? I don't know.
चाहे वो अवार्ड फंक्शंस हो या अलग पिक्चर्स हो, हाउ डू यू मेक इट such brilliant pictures from your side?
Brilliant pictures from your side. That I get pictures from internet and I put the same pictures on my profile. I don't know, because when I see my profile, I only see my pictures, so I don't know what's going on actually.
Also, like now,
It's much better, but I still have a little bit problem. But thank you for asking. Thank you. Shoots? Baghi 2. Yeah, I'm so excited. He's an amazing dancer. He's an amazing martial artist. So I am a little scared. But let's see. I think it's going to work out well. And he's a very good friend. So I think, that chemistry will come across very nicely. Yeah. You'll see. No. I don't, people ask me, but nothing has been done. Nothing is going on like that.
ईशा, आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं या मतलब किस कैपेसिटी में हैं?
I'm nominated for debut. Thank you. So kind.
Would you like to define your dress for tonight?
Define. I'm wearing Swapnil Shinde and I'm styled by Tanya. Thank you. Thank you.
Hold. This mark. Thank you. मैम सामने एक Excuse me, ma'am. Here. One more shade here, ma'am. Ma'am, shade, ma'am. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, shade. Ma'am, सामने. Here. Center. Hold, wait. Boss, madam, boss. सामने और ऊपर. पीछे आना, क्या करें सोनी? मैम स्ट्रेट है मैम स्ट्रेट. मैम राइट साइड डाउन. लुक स्ट्रेट है मैम, एकदम सामने राइट साइड डाउन. हियर एकदम स्ट्रेट. स्ट्रेट. मैम ये होल्ड ऑन. हियर मैम सामने मैम लास्ट वन हियर. सेकंड मार्क. मैम नो यो. मैम ये सेकंड मार्क. अभी सेकंड मार्क. सेकंड मार्क पे सामने ऊपर. अरे हुआ नहीं क्या अभी तक? बस मैम क्या नाम है? सेकंड मार्क. बस भाई. जरा स्ट्रेट डाउन. Get straight down. Nadia, left side. Abhi center upar. Kera left center. Thank you. Bring her here. On the mark.
Third one after. Hi, how are you? Good. Thank you. This is the second change for the day. So I was like, oh my god. Super excited. I've just performed. So I hope you guys like it. I don't think you all were in, but you'll see it when it airs. And it was super energetic, and I think that audience reaction just makes you even more motivated to continue living up to that energy. So it was great. I'm sorry? Right now I'm shooting with Mahesh Babu for his film Bharat Ane Nenu, which is my Telugu debut. So I'm very excited to do that. It's an amazing opportunity. And it's releasing in January, so the shoot is going in full swing right now. So I performed on my song Cheese Badi Hai Mast Mast, and because that's also a remix, we decided to also do Hamma Hamma. So these were the two songs I did, yeah. To sing? Kaun sa gana? Yeah, he has the most interesting demands. Kabhi और? पानी सा. I don't even know how to go. Okay. कलियों जैसा हुस्न छुपाया, हर अदा में नूर है छाया, साथ मेरे और सदहत्तर घायल, ब्लेम तू रब को क्यों ऐसा बनाया. Thank you. I'm gonna get back at you for this one. Thank you for the red carpet. Okay, thank you, you too. See you.
हाँ जी मैम क्या कर रहे हो आप पहले
Thank you. It's yes. So I've won for Dada Dasse from Urta Punjab, Best Female Entertainer, and very excited because पहली बार जो मुझे जब ये अवार्ड मिला था तो वो बेबी डॉल के लिए मिला था, और आज डाडा डस्से जो कि बहुत ही डिफरेंट गाना है, एंड अमित त्रिवेदी जी ने मुझे ये गाना दिया. आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट वो सोच पाए कि मैं ये गा सकती हूँ. एंड या हियर वी गो. वेल अभी हमने बहुत अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस देखी. उदित नारायण जी की मिमिक्री कर रहे थे, एंड उसके पहले भी काफ़ी अच्छे डांसेस हो रहे थे. सलमान वाज जस्ट हियर, हिज परफॉर्मेंस जस्ट फिनिश्ड. इट्स क्वाइट बजिंग इनसाइड एक्चुअली. सो it was too funny, and of course Sunil is hilarious. He's amazing, one of my dear friends, and वो जो अवार्ड में जैसे हंसाते हैं, वो जब लंच करो उनके साथ तो वहाँ भी वैसे ही हंसाते हैं. सो ही इज़ द बेस्ट. थैंक यू सो मच.
So all the very best to the winners, and all the very best to those who don't win as well. And here is Sunny.
Thank you. Hi guys. Hi.
Yes. I'm doing two different acts tonight, and one is a jazz Broadway cabaret show, and it's the first time that I'm dancing in this genre, so I'm very excited. So I'm very thankful to Geeta ma'am for giving me this opportunity, and also I'm doing a full rain dance, which will be very exciting for people to watch. Today, my look, you can see passes. Today I'm wearing a beautiful gown by Priya Kataria Puri, and beautiful diamonds, as you can see.
Your song is out now. Would you like to say something on it?
I had an amazing time working with Imran Hashmi, and being able to be in a song with him was, it was a lot of fun. And the song itself is amazing, and the look, the style, the way they shot it is nice, and I'm happy that people are liking it.
What are the reactions you are getting?
बहुत अच्छे reactions मिल रहे, and I can't ask for anything more than the millions of hits that we're getting on YouTube. So that's usually my gauge of song कैसा चल रहा है, and I think लोग पसंद कर रहे, so it's good.
Can you call Daniel and Sitra, please?
This is her night, not mine. I have nothing to say.
She's a rock star, right?
No, thank you. Very kind.
Daniel, we are meeting for the first time. Let me congratulate you for
Oh.
becoming parents.
Oh, thank you. Very kind. Thank you.
Has the life changed now?
Yes, that's inevitable. Of course, a change in a million ways for the better.
So now you are now a dad.
Yeah,
what's
amazing,
the
right?
What's the best part of being a dad?
That I get to go to sleep at 9 o'clock with no guilt. She goes to sleep by 7, by 9, anybody calls, I said, sorry, I'm done working, I'm sleeping. I love it.
I think the best part is when she looks at you and she smiles and you know she wants to be around us and she copies, she mimics us, so which is very cute.
Yeah.
And your album,
Yeah.
your song, tell something about like when we can like.
Album came out 3 weeks ago, Wasting Time, and check it out. It's all over. Everywhere you look, it's everywhere. From the Disparos.
Any plans to feature her in the song?
Absolutely. Actually, I just was meeting with a director in the US, and she also asked, would Sunny be in the song? And I said, I don't know. I have to ask her. So you should ask her. Would she be in a song?
My answer is yes.
Can we request for the first time, like if you can sing 2 lines of the song for us?
Sure. Okay. Which song should I sing?
Your nice one that's on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Oh, won't you set me free from these times, fighting one another, hate crimes. That's all you get. Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Give us pictures together with अरे